If you've been wondering how to hide the Likes tab in X, formerly known as Twitter, the answer is actually pretty simple. In this video, I'll clear up exactly what's happening with the Likes tab, what other people can see, and whether you need to change any settings at all. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. So, here's the short answer. You do not need to take any action. X has made the Likes tab completely private by default. That means no other user can browse the posts you've liked from your profile. Not your followers, not random users, and not even people who visit your account directly. Your liked posts are no longer publicly visible the way they used to be on older versions of Twitter. That also means if you were looking for a hidden setting, menu option, or privacy toggle, you probably won't find one, because there isn't anything you need to turn on. X has already handled it for you in the background. So if your goal is to keep your likes private, that privacy is already built in. Now, just so everything is clear, this only applies to the Likes tab on your profile. People can still see other public activity on X depending on your account settings and what you post. But the actual list of posts you've liked is private by default. That makes it much easier to browse content, interact with posts, and save things you enjoy without worrying that everyone can see your activity. If you were trying to hide likes because you thought there was a step you missed, don't worry, you didn't miss anything. No settings need to be changed, no app update is required, and no extra permission is needed. It's already private automatically. So the takeaway is very straightforward. X, formerly Twitter, has made the Likes tab private by default, and other users cannot see the posts you have liked. That's the complete answer. If this quick guide helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.